wired keyboard. It's okay, kind of clunky keys, and I'm really looking forward to investing my own money, buy my own keyboard, and have a really high quality one. And I've been keeping my eye out for this K750 solar power keyboard for quite some time. I do have another wireless keyboard here at home, and I find that I charge it often. With this, I'm not going to have to worry about that as much. So what I want to do now here is do an open boxing, and then over the next several days have a chance in my office to use it and give you my final thoughts. Reviews have been really fantastic, so if you are using it, I would love any feedback you might have. But Logitech did just a beautiful job on the packaging, as they always do. I love their products, really believe in them. Always have generally had a great experience. So let's go ahead and get this open. A couple of things. Wireless solar keyboard, as I mentioned to you. No wires, no changing batteries, no hassles. Reliable wireless receiver. Controls up to 6 devices, so that'll be perfect for my new wireless mouse. It's powered by light, no batteries required. Framed keys for your modern setup. And there's some other features. Let's see, anything else on the back there. Advanced 2.4 gigahertz. Feels good, very thin, and powered by light. So let's go ahead and open the packaging here. Alrighty. This is, I think everyone's going to be jealous in my office that I have this, so, but that's okay. As long as it works well for me, everyone can be jealous. That's fine with me. Alright. So let's take that out of the packaging. Alright, so here we go. Let's take this out. So let's see. First of all, it's got this nano compliance, and then safety instructions. Really nice internal packaging there. Logitech.com, K750/support. And it's also got an app that you can download, and it tells you how much solar power is left on the keyboard. So that's nice. Again, they really did a nice job with the packaging here. So let me take this off, and there is the keyboard. Wow, this really is thin. I've never really played with it much in the store, other than I've seen it. Now that I have it here at home, really impressed how thin that is. And then you got the legs back here. So they've done a nice job tucking those back there. And let me just put it down here. Oh, it looks really great. Really looking forward to it. You got your on and off switch. Looks like I just have to pull this off and pull some of the wrapping off, and then I should be good to go. So over the next several days, looking forward to trying out the keyboard and giving you my feedback. I think it's going to be nice with the size keyboard, the keys, the way it types, and the profile being it's nice and thin. So now it's time to put it to the test, and I'm really looking forward to putting it to the test and sharing with you. Alright, we'll see you at my office. A couple other things I forgot to mention in the box. It comes with a cloth, same material that you would use for cleaning your glasses with, so then I could easily clean the solar panels on the keyboard. And then it also has the unifying device for connecting the keyboard and other Logitech products. So that's in there in the packaging as well. I just wanted to be sure to share that with you. Well, I've had a week now to use the K750 keyboard, and I have to say I'm really thrilled with it after a full week. Although when I first started using it, I wasn't really sure. The keys are a little bit different, more chiclety sound and feel. But actually I found that it's easier to type with this keyboard than most other keyboards that I've used, including the one I have at home, which is a good keyboard. But I've found I have less typing errors with this keyboard, and I guess it's because of the low profile keys and the ease of use. As far as lighting, I've got great lighting here, and I could check easily that I've got great lighting. I'm not able to put any software on my work computer, and that's okay. Don't think I'll really need it, but it's got the on and off switch. I do turn that off at night. But all in all, great keyboard. If you don't need a backlit keyboard, definitely check this one out. This is a winner. I'm so glad I got it. It's a great price point. Really nice looking keyboard. It's solid. It's actually a pretty heavyweight keyboard, but obviously, you know, it's sitting on your desk, so you don't need to worry about that. And will go so well with my stand-up desk that I'm getting. So anyway, that's pretty much it. If you have any questions, let me know. 2 thumbs up. Really great purchase, I think, for myself, and I know you'll be happy as well. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a great day. We'll see you on the next video.